Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to use templates in Instagram with the latest updates. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Locate and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Now, tap on Reel to access the Reels feature. Step 4. At the top of the screen, you'll find the template option. Tap on it. Step 5. Browse through the available templates and choose the one that suits your style. Step 6. To personalize your template, tap on Add Clips and select the desired clips from your gallery. Step 7. Enhance your template by tapping on Add Media and including at least 2 additional media files. Step 8. Once you're satisfied with your template, tap Next to proceed. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use templates in Instagram. Now you can create stunning and engaging content effortlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching.